Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So, my Odyssey sliding door cable finally gave out, and I ended up trying this Forwinparts 72546TK8A01 kit. It works for 2011 to 2020 Honda Odysseys, and I figured I'd share what I think about it. What it is. It's basically a replacement cable and motor assembly for the power sliding doors. You can get it for either the left or right side, and it's way cheaper than buying the part straight from Honda. Pros. Here's what I liked. Price, it's super affordable compared to the dealer part. Fit, went in pretty smoothly, no weird modifications needed. DIY friendly, if you're okay with pulling off the door panel, you can definitely handle this yourself. Reviews match my experience, online ratings are solid, and my door works like new now. Cons. A couple of things to keep in mind. It's not an OEM Honda part, so we'll see how it holds up long term. Warranty varies, depending on where you buy it. Check the year fit. Honda officially lists this part for 2011 to 2017, but aftermarket sellers say up to 2020. Double check for your van. Feel and sound. Step 3. The operation might not be as buttery smooth or quiet as the original. It works perfectly, but there's a slight difference in feel. That is my review. Thanks for watching.